Picture your supply chain as a highway. Without integration, it's full of traffic jams. With TMS, everything flows smoothly.
When transportation systems operate separately from procurement, warehousing, or inventory, companies face delays, data silos, and rising costs.
But integrating TMS with supply chain and logistics operations creates visibility, speed, and smarter decision-making across the board.
Integrated TMS connects with ERP systems, warehouse management, and inventory control, giving one real-time view of shipments, stock, and costs. For example, if a warehouse knows a truck will arrive late, it can adjust labor schedules instantly, avoiding wasted time and money. This alignment reduces errors and maximizes efficiency.
A fully integrated TMS doesn't just manage transport. It transforms the entire supply chain into a connected, efficient network.